It's Harry here from West South Africa, and today we're going to take a look at alloy oxide disc. It is for removing dust, rust and paint, as well as for material removal. They come in different grids as well as different sizes: 115mm, 125mm and 180mm. But all of them need a support plate or a backing pad that looks like this. As you can see, it can bend, so when you do profiles, it fits into all the small nooks and crannies where you need to sand. So let me quickly show you how it's done. As you can see, with the back plate on and the support plate, it is all flush, and you can leave your guard on your grinder. So, removing dust, rust and paint and material, alloy oxide disc is perfect. Thank you.